Okay, so we're in grad season and we're also in spring, which means one thing. Graduation party invites with florals are about to do really, really well. So let's make one together that we can actually sell as a template. I'm starting with this design right here because honestly, the layout is already perfect. And this is such a huge advantage when you're a template seller. You do not want to start from scratch every single time. That's actually one of my favorite things about working this way. Unlike some other design platforms where you basically have to rebuild everything from zero because of copyright limitations, here we can reuse layouts and transform them into completely new products. And trust me, that saves so much time. Template sellers create a lot of listings. Imagine having to reinvent every design from the beginning every single time. Absolutely not. So first thing I'm doing is updating the wording to match the new theme. Since we're going for a graduation party invite with florals, I'm changing all the text to fit that vibe while keeping the structure that already works. Now, I'm adjusting the spacing and alignment a little bit because once you swap wording around, things can start to feel off really quickly. I want everything centered nicely, evenly spaced, and balanced so nothing looks forced or like we just squeezed elements into the design. Those little adjustments honestly make the biggest difference in making a template feel polished and premium. And now for the final touch, I'm adding a nice graphic to really tie the whole graduation theme together. This is the part that gives the template personality and makes it feel seasonal, trendy, and ready to sell during grad season. And actually, this next part is optional because your customer is going to customize the design with their own preferences anyway. But just so we can list something that already looks really pretty, let's play around with a little bit of color too. Sometimes a tiny color change can completely elevate the final look. And that's it. We just turned an existing layout into a brand new product without starting from scratch, which is exactly how you work smarter as a template seller. If you want more tutorials like this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.